Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange and customize your home screen in the Honor X6. So if you want to open the home screen settings, just swipe the fingers to the center, and you can see there you have a few options to edit. The first one is wallpaper, a little bit obvious, so we can just tap on your decided wallpaper and click on the accept icon. Then choose the place for it, the lock screen, home, or both. I'm gonna pick the home screen, and now we have a new wallpaper. Okay, the next one, cards, it's like widgets in the normal Android phone. So if you want to add any, just hold the finger on it and drop into the separate place on your home screen. Then tap on the screen, and that's it. If you want to remove that, of course, just remove and configure by the remove again. If you want to make any folder, just hold any app and drop onto another, and now we have a folder. To change the name of it, open it and click here, then type the new folder name. If you want to delete the folder, just take all out the apps, bring back to the home screen. That's it. Okay, now the transition, the effect when you're swiping the page. So if you want to check any preview, just tap on anyone, pick your favorite, like this one, and just tap on the home screen. Sorry, tap on the back. Okay, and now we should have a new transition effect. Okay, now we can go to the home screen settings, and there we have a layout. So if you want to change the amount of the application, the rows in the columns, you can do it here, like 5x5. And now we have 5 columns and 5 rows. Okay. And the last one, Google Discover. If you want to use that feature, this is how you can see the left screen. There we have a weather, Google search bar, Google newsfeed. So if you want to enable it or disable, you can do it by this switcher. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.